What's up, Peaches? It's me, Peachy Queen here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all what I got for my 18th birthday. So before this video starts, make sure to give it a big, giant, fidgety thumbs up, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And now let's get on with this video. First, I want to start off with clothes because that's the main thing that I got for gifts. And actually, a lot of these gifts I got on my birthday shopping spree. If you haven't seen that vlog, make sure to go check it out after this one. I got 3 different dresses here. This first one is a white, pink, and orange swirled dress from H&M. And I'm pretty sure I'll put up some pictures of me actually wearing them. Here it is. I really like the color combination going on in this one. And also, it's a halter top dress. Super cute and simple. You can dress it up and make it classy, or you can just make it fun and simple. Speaking of things that you can dress up and dress down, I got a simple black dress, and I don't think I have a black dress at all until now. And you know, it's always good to have a black dress that you can wear to anything. So here it is. You can tie it in the front. Hopefully you guys can see. And it's slim and loose all at the same time. Hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, there you go. Even though it's all black, it's still nice for the summer because it's short and it has spaghetti strap. So I'm happy I got this. By the way, this black dress is from Charlotte Russe, also from Charlotte Russe. I want to keep these on the hangers because I want to hang them back up, but this is a struggle. This is a really nice summer dress. Here's what it looks like, and you guys know I've been obsessed with light purple recently, so I just had to get this. The back is just so cute. Lets some air in and adds a nice style. This one for me is more of like a spring and summer dress. I don't know if you could really wear this to like a super classy event. This one's more laid back. So I'm happy I got all those dresses because I've been needing some. I also got a pretty good amount of these bell-bottom leggings. I've actually been wanting these, but I haven't gotten them until now, but who cares? First off, from JCPenney, I have this pair. It is brown with white flowers on it. And I actually wore this to school on the day of my birthday. It has these cute little straps just to add more style to it, I guess. Let me show you guys what the bottom looks like. As you can see, it opens up at the bottom to give that bell-bottom look. Yeah. These are really nice paired with the white top. Speaking of white top, this is the white top that I wore with these to school. I literally found this at Charlotte Russe and I was like, you know what, this would work. Simple but a little fancy at the same time. See, don't you think that's a good combo? From H&M, I had to get 2 more pairs. And obviously I got black because it matches with more things. So these can be like everyday leggings, to be honest. Here's what it looks like. It has vertical lines going down it. Ooh, I thought these had pockets for a second. I was like, wait a minute. And this is how much these ones open up. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard to show you. And this green pair, just to add some more fun color. You guys know I like color. Look at my top right now. Here it is. It's cinched in the middle. And these ones are a little bit bigger, so it opens even more at the bottom. Yep, that's it for the bell-bottom leggings. Actually, speaking of this top, I got this at JCPenney as well. It's a super cute light blue top. And check out the sides. It's hard to show you because I'm sitting, but it opens up on the sides and you can tie it. And now the lighting's acting up, so let me move on. I actually got the same exact shirt in black from JCPenney. Here it is. You can see the little, what are these strings on the side that open up, but you can also tie them. A basic top that you can do anything with, basically. And the last and final top that I got was this one. It says Santa Monica Beach 1995 on it. I had to get this because it gives me so many California vibes. And you guys know I love California, or at least I hope you know. Plus it's light purple, so I couldn't pass this up, couldn't. Alright, so now that we're done with clothing, let's move on to accessories. From Forever 21, I had to get this birthday girl crown because I really wanted to wear it at school. I mean, if it's your birthday, don't be afraid to flaunt it. There it is, birthday girl. And I like that I can actually keep this basically for the rest of my life. Because every time it's my birthday, I'm always going to be the birthday girl. So nothing changes. I mean, I will be an adult, but there's still nothing wrong with birthday girl. Birthday woman is kind of a lot. So this is good enough. An assortment of bracelets. Here they are, super cute. This comes with 4 actually. Nice and pretty. I got a 3 set of earrings, and one of them I'm actually wearing right now. Hopefully you can see that. Cute. The others look like this. I wore these ones on my birthday to school. And the set also comes with heart earrings. Speaking of sets, I also got a set of 5 rings. This is so hard to, this is so hard to show you guys. I'm just gonna put these on so you guys can see them better. It comes with 2 pink jewel rings, a yellow, blue, and purple ring. If my camera would focus more, that'd be nice. But yeah, I think these might be my first fully colored rings. And I like them because they make your accessorizing more fun. Back to the light purple, I got this light purple butterfly necklace. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh. I still haven't worn this yet, but I can't wait till I do. Ooh, not me forgetting that it came in a set as well. This is another butterfly necklace, but it has 3 gold butterflies on it instead of just 1. And I also wore this on my birthday. I really, really wanted to get an anklet. Sadly, they only have 1 size fits all for anklets, and this one is too big for me. But I'm still probably gonna wear it. And this one has gold jeweled butterflies on it. So pretty. And the final accessory that I got for my birthday was this black scrunchie. You guys see me wear scrunchies in almost every video, actually, look. And my black scrunchies look so ratchet. So when I saw this black one at H&M, I was like, why not just get it? It's actually really cute and it can match with almost anything. I got some makeup products. This beauty blender is from, I think Forever 21. Check it out. It has a pink ombre on it, and I've just been needing a new beauty blender, so I'm glad that I got this. And then my mom was so kind to get me some Glossier products. Here I have the Glossier Boy Brow. I've used this before and I really liked it, so she got it for me again. Let me show you guys what the inside looks like. There you go. And this is in the color brown, I believe. Yup, brown. A berrybomb.com. I haven't tried this one. Maybe I should try it right now. It's like a dark purple. It smells really nice. I don't know what kind of tint it's gonna give my lips. Probably purple since it's purple. But I'm interested to see. Okay, ooh. Wait a minute. It has such a slight tint, but I really like it. Oh, and it smells so good. I really recommend this. Glossier always pulls through. Another Glossier product that I've tried and loved is this red Glossier lip gloss. This one also adds just the right amount of tint as well. That's it for the makeup. I got some All-Star Hike Run. Wait a dang minute, what are these called? Hold up. Oh, okay, I see. I got these black All-Star Run Star Hike shoes. You know what, I haven't gotten a new pair of platform shoes in like 2 years, so these are really nice and I'm so happy that I have them. Check these out, how cute. I've also really been needing a black pair of shoes for a while. A new pair. Check those out, look how clean they look. I've worn them to school already because I just had to. But yeah, everyone, high tops are in. So if you like these shoes, try getting them. It is something a little bit new. They have like ridges at the bottom, but that just makes it more fun and unique, you know? Look at that, look at that. Super happy to have these. Also, it seems like Converse and All-Stars are getting more and more popular. They just keep coming back and coming back. Yeah, and last but not least from this whole birthday haul, I also got an iPhone 13 Pro. Ooh, not it reflecting. Check it out. And this is in the color blue. The last one I had was an iPhone X, so you know, it's nice to upgrade sometimes, especially for Instagram pictures. And as you can see, this one has 3 cameras instead of 1 with better camera quality. All right. That's basically it about this. It's just a new phone, but it's still really nice to have, if you know what I mean. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big giant thumbs up, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.